Hello, my name is Maya, and I will be doing the presentation for our group's project for understanding CRISP data. My group members are Sarah Collins and Yuchen Shi. I really do hope that I said that correctly. I'm so sorry if I butchered that. I deeply apologize. Um, our project is about understanding, a standard data analysis process. So, with the introduction, appreciating CRISP-DM, it is actually called, is an abbreviation for cross-industry standard process for data mining, and it is one of the most popular methods of data analysis. It gives a clear process of how data should be managed, as well as offer the opportunity to derive crucial information out of it. It comprises of 6 phases that facilitate the determination of the best decision by data professionals. So it is appropriate at this juncture to discuss each of these phases in detail. The first and most important stage of this is business understanding. In this paper, an outline of the problem that is to be addressed and solved using data analysis is given. This step is helping to avoid going through the whole process of marketing only to find out that it is not relevant to the business needs, or that we are not sure what needs to be achieved to know that the process was successful. Even the most optimal data models have very little relevance whenever there is no clear business problem to solve for. So once you know the business problem, the next process that is to be followed is data understanding. This entails the process of data collection and survey of the data for any flaws in its values, defect in the dataset, or any emerging patterns. To come up with this decision, proper data exploration is conducted so as to determine whether there is a need to get more data or not. The third strategy is data preparation, and it is considered to be the most time consuming and may take a very long time depending on several factors. This entails washing and reshaping the data to get a format that can be used in modeling. Some of the data pre-processing techniques include missing values, outliers, and inconsistencies in the data for better outcomes. Data accuracy is crucial for model development, and the higher the quality of the data, the better it is when making models. Speaking of the modeling phase, it follows the data pre-processing and is described in the following speech script. Here, general methods of probability or artificial intelligence are used to discern patterns for a prediction. The type of model that needs to be selected depends on the nature of the problem, if it is a classification, regression, or clustering type of a problem. It is important to note that the model assessment and parameter were key in enhancing the effectiveness of the models. In the evaluation phase, we check whether the model we establish will achieve business objectives and performance plan. The 3 basic methods of evaluation are usually the accuracy, the precision, and the recall. If the model fails to work well, we may go back to one or some steps as we attempt to improve the data aspect or the modeling procedure. Deployment means implementation of the model construction, and testing of the model is the final step in building a KPI framework that is feasible for deployment. It simply means that it can be included in a business application, run as a report, or run as a decision-making model. All these imply that there is need to monitor and maintain the model so that it can remain relevant and up to date. In conclusion, the approach of the CRISP-DM can be discussed as quite effective and rather structured normally, while these aspects will be further discussed in the speech. They also follow all the 6 steps properly spelled as business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment, hence making it possible for data professionals to provide significant and valuable outcomes. I appreciate the opportunity for sharing this presentation, and I do believe that you now have a clear understanding of the role of CRISP-DM in data analysis. Thank you.